Hello and welcome back. My name is Nyambura. If you're new here, I make content on garden, home and lifestyle. So today we're in the kitchen and we want to make a crunchy banana dessert. So I'm going to use a different type of banana and a few ingredients that I'm going to show you how to make this crunchy dessert that you will always be liking, and you can use it as a dessert or even as a snack. Okay, let's get into this video and do it. So you will need 1 egg. So we have 1 egg for the wet ingredients, and then you will need sparkling water. It should be cold, ice cold sparkling water. I emphasize cold and sparkling. So you need about 1/2 cup. You'll also need coconut milk, about 1/4 cup of coconut milk. And I'm going to whisk this until it's well mixed. And that's it for the wet ingredients. So we're going to sift our dry ingredients, and for this you'll need about 2 spoons of flour, all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons. And you're going to sift this alongside with 2 tablespoons of corn flour, all cornstarch. And then I'm going to add a quarter teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. I'm going to sift all that. Okay, so then I'm going to add a bit of sugar. Remember, it's a dessert, so we need some sweetness. So I'm adding 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, and then I'm going to add my wet ingredients as I mix. So I need to whisk this very well to make sure there are no lumps. So the batter is ready. I'm going to make my coating, and for the coating I'll need 8 tablespoons of coconut, and I'll mix it up with some cornstarch, about 2 tablespoons. Then mix this very well. Next, I already have my bananas. I've already cut them up. You can use ripe bananas or plantains. For me today, I'm using plantains. So I'm going to dip them in the batter and then into the So I just put them in the coating. Make sure to coat them well before we go and fry them. We're still waiting for our oil to be hot. So I'm going to check on the oil with a small banana. It's almost ready, not quite there, because we want the oil to be very hot so that they can deep fry the bananas. Okay, so you give it like a minute. So we are going to deep fry the bananas, the coated bananas. So let's go to the oil. Put them slowly so that you don't burn. Nice. So our bananas are done, and I want to serve them with ice cream. So I'll just pick a few. Some ice cream, and that's it. We have our dessert. Easy, simple. So you can make this as a snack, as a dessert, whatever you like, and enjoy. It's very yummy and very crunchy. Let's try one. Very nice. So please make sure you try this recipe and tag me on Instagram. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.